Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to active WeChat Pay. Well, to do that, open the WeChat app on your mobile device, then tap on the login to log in your account. After that, tap on the plus icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Money from the menu. Click on the Enable Now to start the process of adding your bank card. Then accept the terms and conditions by clicking on Accept Now. Enter your bank card details, including the card number, and click on Next. Fill in the required information such as your name and card expiration date. Wait for the bank account to be verified. This process may take a few days. Once your bank account is verified, you can start receiving money from your contacts. To withdraw money or pay money, select the withdraw option and follow the instruction, also in the pay option. And that's how to activate WeChat Pay. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.